So Natural, July 2006. I love the versatility. It's something that you really never realize when you live so long with a relaxer, is how easy it is to switch from style to style. You can do whatever you want to do, it's limitless.
Do you have any calls?
I went to hair cuttery once, and the person who did my hair, she didn't really want to cut it, and I ended up getting like a horrible, choppy cut. I had to go and get it trimmed, well, really cut again for it to be even. It was just horrible because she didn't want to do my hair because it was natural. Yeah.
So what would you tell other natural advice?
Just be patient. Don't be afraid to experiment, and really don't expect your hair to look exactly like someone else's. Because what I learned is, even if I found someone who I thought was my hair twin early on in the stage, as your hair grows out, it becomes its own. So you just have to figure out what works best for you and your hair.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.